Hey Barry, hey Sean, I hear you guys have got a great, fantastic announcement to tell me. What's happening?
This is happening.
What is that? Tell me more.
It's the new foundation for the 24-hour shelter, as well as a fundraiser for the homeless soccer team that went
Great.
down
So
to
you guys are
Rio de Janeiro.
playing your first professional, first fantastic outdoor concert at the Vancouver Art Gallery.
That's right.
Oh my
that's right.
God.
Yeah.
Oh
We're
wow.
all stoked for it. So.
Here we're coming.
Yeah.
Y'all better be ready.
What songs are you guys gonna play tomorrow?
We're gonna play like Refugee and New Orleans is Sinking and some Beatles, Bad Boy.
Oh
We're
wow.
also gonna be highlighting a song that I wrote and composed. It's called the Longhouse Song. It's it's a song about family and always remember where you come from, the community where you're from, and really just if you don't know where you're from, you sort of feel lost, and that's how I'm sure a lot of people down here feel.
Well, I'm hope and be a good message.
Yeah.
That's what we're trying to pull out, you know. Give it time that we all join together and stop all this nonsense of government bullshit and stuff like that, you know.
Yeah. So we're playing like One from U2 and Oh Darling and
that song you rock.
Rockin' the Free World. That's where we're in.
We're all about freedom.
Yeah, that's right. So, and hopefully just some good
and Mother
songs
Earth,
that people dance to. Yeah.
I think that's wonderful. And what time is your concert tomorrow?
We start at it says 11:45, 40-minute set.
Ooh, okay.
We play when we're ready.
I hear you.
We don't hear no crowd. We're gonna wait until the crowd they're yelling away. No, probably
when
we'll
we stop
start
shaking, we're gonna start playing.
For sure. You guys are awesome. Oh, this is fantastic.
Like 12 o'clock until 12:40, and then 1 o'clock till 1:40.
Well, that's great. I'm gonna have to tell everyone I know about the new up-and-coming band from the Vancouver Downtown East Side. We're all proud of you, and you guys sound fantastic.
We're proud to support the
That's right.
the street soccer is like
and the new fountain
really
shelter.
Yeah.
Like when last year they went up and it's like they didn't have much money and the other teams didn't have like soccer shoes and one guy gave his last $20 to a guy to buy shoes. No, they're really good guys.
Yeah, man.
Those guys are awesome. They're doing good. So
I've been
do
part
good
of
in the hood.
Yeah. Great stuff.
I've been part of this community now for about 6 years, and I've you know, I use a lot of these facilities, these
drop-in centers,
drop-in centers, and I see the actual value and importance of them.
Totally.
And I'm just so happy to be able to do something to support
that's wonderful. You're giving back to what
so we're able
has helped
to do
you.
Something like this. So
makes me proud.
yeah, they're helping us, and
these guys
we
are
want to
awesome,
be there.
man.
Yeah.
Like I'm proud to meet these two guys. And they're like fucking angels.
Great. I'm so proud. You guys are awesome. Well, thanks so much. We look forward to your concert, your first big concert. And if anyone's out there that wants to hear them play, come see us at the Vancouver Art Gallery tomorrow.
Yeah.
Amen.
Man. Great stuff.